Hi, my Gluebook family and friends. Welcome back to another Gluebooking session where I bought a new oh, those of you that's been here before, welcome back. Those who first time, thank you for stopping by. I bought a new Gluebook yesterday, and this is a holiday. This is Easter weekend. But anyway, I've been kind of busy this weekend. This few days. I dropped the short on the cover, which I done on this new Gluebook. This is my front cover. Okay, I'm not finished with it, but I done a back cover, and I'm going to share it with you right now. What I done. I made this cover here, and I didn't want it to get destroyed, so I covered it with plastic. I took it off the back of the binder, and this is a sketch pad, and I took it off like this, and you can take it off. And what I did was I sewed it. I have my sewing machine ready, and I sewed it. And I sewed it on the inside. And then I thought about, I said, well, I want to keep it. I don't want it to mess up. I don't want to put Mod Podge on it, the gloss. I said, I need a plastic film. So, after I stitched it raw, I decided to put it in here. And I'm going to show you what I used. I know I should have one loose. Okay. I used a Temu folder. Now, I don't think I have any more clear ones, because I like to use the clear ones because I can see through them good with my scrap paper and some of my supplies that I use for gluing. I used this, and it wasn't a prepared thing. I knew I needed some plastic, and I decided, hey, I'm gonna use this. If this cardboard, the back of this binder, if it fits in here, it's going in here, because I like my back cover, and I'm gonna have to do the same to the front cover too, because in order for it to last, you have to cover it. And so I seen a lady on a video. She used some, it's called clear film or something. It was old. She found it around her house. She had been having it. It's like for a projector that they clear. So y'all probably know better than me. But this is what I had at home, because I believe in using and she used what she had. I believe in using what I have. For junk journals, I believe in using junk. I use my old makeup and whatever to paint with, and also to do our edges, ink our edges on things in junk journaling. And I came across glue journaling, and I love it too. Hey, both of them are neck and neck with me. I love it. And the reason why I may be new to you, the reason why I started journaling, because I suffer with anxiety. I'm ADD challenged, and it helps. It helps to color. It helps to focus on other things, because an ADHD person can get hyper focused, and all kind of stuff. So this brings me down to, eliminate that. Get my attention span on something positive to work on. And I love doing this. I can sit here for hours coloring and doodling and all that. Now, this cover here, I didn't plan on talking about it. It's just, I'm going to dedicate this book to some of the name brand things. I can't afford to buy them, but I can afford to look at them and kind of see what they look like and see if I can tell something, from a distance. I mean, that makes me happy. I don't care nothing about these designer name brands, but I just thought it would be a good cover for me. Because I got several glue books I'm working on and junk journals I've finished and I'm working on. I think a journal is something that is kind of never finished. If you got room in it, you're gonna add to it, and it's just a thing, and it's a good thing. I like everything about it. So, also to this cover, I have pockets. Look, I can stick my hand in this. I don't know if I'm turning it upside down or what. I can stick my hand because it's the envelope. It's the envelope of that you get from Temu, and you get about look like 25 in a pack, and they have like 2 or 3 colors each of the blue, the pink, the purple, the red, and the clear. And with these envelopes, us scrapbook lovers and craft lovers and paper lovers, they come in so handy, lightweight, and to put stuff in, and you can see through them. You can see through them. And so I put that in here. Probably can still fit one. I put it in here, and it had the flap like this to button, okay? So I could have left the flap, but I didn't. I decided I'd cut it off because it was too much. But it would also hinder my side, because I have to put it back in the binder. But somebody may know what to do if they want to keep that. It got a pocket on this side. It got a pocket on both sides that you can put stuff. This is the outer side. No, this is the inner side. And this is the back side of it. But this is the part that I kept that would have buttoned down like this and closed. I can still put it on there. And closed. So I thought that was a thrifty idea. So I'm going to keep this because I'm sure I can use it for something. And I'm going to, when I'm through, when I think I'm through decorating this front and the back, seeing what I'm going to do with the backs, inner side to inner side, then I will stitch it closed. Stitch it closed. It was easy when I took this off. At first I was trying to stitch it with it on. And I was okay with this edge and that edge and this here. But that right there wouldn't turn like this in my sewing machine. So I took it off. And I could put it back. Well, I'm not going to hold y'all long with this video because I have some work to do. I have some gluing to do, and that's it. I just want to bring this to you and show you how this can be done. And if you don't have the envelopes, if you don't have these envelopes from Temu, find you some kind of film. Maybe you could even try and see, I got the right name, Miss T Ideas. Cause I will do all. I will try any kind of ideas, not any, but most ideas. If I can think it up, I'll try it. You might can use a gallon bag. It depends on how big your binder is. You may can use a gallon bag and sew it. I prefer to sew these because I don't know how glue will be on them, or to make a cover, or I don't know if it's gonna show, the glue gonna show. You know, but you can put, you could always put lace and trim around it if it do. So go ahead and try to glue it. If it's not, you know, we're creative. You know what to do. So I'm Miss T Ideas, and thank you for joining me. If you like the video, please like and subscribe because it's helped my channel grow. And I appreciate if you share it and come back and see me for other videos and check out my playlist of videos. I have a lot of shorts, and look like my shorts are doing better than the videos itself. But I'm just gonna keep on and carry on because this is what I do, even if I wasn't in front of the camera. Thank you very much, Miss T Ideas, and I'm gone.